So let's take a look at how you can create trigger with Apex. So what we'll do is log into developer edition of Salesforce, then click on the setup menu, then click on developer console. Now here I'm going to check this new developer console window and then go to file menu, then new, and here we have to check for Apex trigger. Now here we can give this a name. Let's say hello dev trigger. Okay, here we have to choose as object, let's say account, click submit. Okay, that should create apxt file. Now here you see trigger hello dev trigger on account before insert. So before creating a new account, it should give us that some sort of a message, then proceed to account creation. So what we'll do is we will basically type in system.debug message, and let's say welcome to account creator. Okay, this message should appear in logs when we basically trigger our account. Okay, so sorry, I have to use this semicolon before saving, otherwise it will send 4 or 5 errors. So as you can see, errors are gone. So this trigger will be called when we try to create an account, and it should display that message before finalizing any account inserted message. Okay, now this is saved. What we'll do is we will use debug menu, then open execute anonymous window, and here we can test this by simply creating a new account. So we type in account acc equals new account. Okay, so here we can use name, add any name of your choice. So based on okay, so let's say I have chosen this name and I wish to add this name. To add name, I'm going to use try and catch block. So in try, I'm going to use insert account, and also going to use system.debug that can output my account details. And in catch, I will use DML exception E. Okay, then system.debug. Right now, what will happen if I execute this is, first this system debug message from our trigger first will be generated, then second will be either our account details or this exception. So we'll go with that and execute. Okay, so here you see our query is gone wrong, so I have to insert the keyword, so not insert. So if there are any typos or something like that, make sure to clear that, otherwise it will take longer to load your log. Okay, so let's wait for 2 user debug messages, first being our okay, so as you can see, our name and user ID is already created, so we just check that in user debug. First user debug, as you can see, is our Apex trigger, welcome to account creator. Now second user debug should be our user details, so let's wait for that. Okay, here you see second user debug with our username and ID. So you get the idea how to create trigger with Apex.